Either this is gonna be one big fail or it's gonna be one big success. Actually, I have no idea what I'm doing.
Hello there and welcome to Fred's channel. My name is Frederica and I love going on adventures and traveling around the world. But right now I'm back in Denmark, and since I recently just sold my apartment, I bought this tiny house instead, but it needs a lot of work. And therefore I'm doing a lot of do-it-yourself renovation projects right now. And in this week, my big project is painting the walls. And let me just reveal that things are gonna be spiced up in here. Good morning, guys. A lot of things are happening here in the cabin, as you might be able to see. And I didn't record all of it because it was mostly just like painting and moving a lot of stuff and furnitures. Yeah, it's one big mess in here, but the floors has been painted and it's looking great. And then Chris, he painted the ceiling as well, so now that's also a bit more fresh looking. So the plan for today is actually to paint the walls because they badly need some paint. This really needs some help, and it's like that everywhere in this cabin. So I have to find some paint and then start painting the floors. Not the floors, I mean the walls, of course. And then hopefully very soon I'll be able to finish up the room in there with the wood panels and so on. But first the paint, and I think I have decided on a color, and the color is this one. It's like, let me show you. It's like almost the same. No, it's not really the same, but it's more fresh, like spicing up the things a bit. So yeah, I hope I can find a color like this because I'm totally in love with the idea of having a cabin with walls in this color. I don't know. What do you think, guys? Okay, so I found this small piece and it is exactly the same color as the big one I showed you before. So now let's go paint hunting. Okay, actually I had some things I wanted to show you as well. So let me give you a small update on the greenhouse. I am so excited about this. This is over there, the aubergine plants, and I got spinach going on down there, and this is a cucumber, and the other big one is a tomato. And just, I mean, look at this. They're almost there, almost ready. Oh yeah, and this one is rosemary. No, it's not. It's oregano. Yeah, that's the thing. As you can probably hear, I'm not a professional gardener yet, but really love it. And I can't wait until I get a bigger vegetable garden and a real greenhouse instead of this small plastic one. But yeah, let me show you something else. Because I made a small bonfire. And last week we were celebrating midsummer right here. It was absolutely amazing. Okay, let me show you what I have bought. Oh, almost feeling nervous. Okay, ready? Okay, maybe now I'm not that nervous. Oh my god, look at this color. Okay, either this is gonna be one big fail or it's gonna be one big success. So my plan is right now to paint a little on the wall right here and just try out the color, see if it's too colorful. Of course, I was supposed to buy one of the small ones, you know, the small test, so you can try it out, but they didn't have any more left. So instead I got 20% discount and then I got the big one. So now I'm all in. But yeah, let's just do it. Okay, so what do you think? I mean, it's pretty colorful, but such a nice color, and it still needs another layer. Actually, I have no idea what I'm doing. I think right now my plan is to let it dry while I make some lunch and then just paint the other layer and yeah, I don't know, make up my mind then. But yeah, let's see how this ends. Okay, so right now I can't really concentrate about anything. I'm just thinking about this color and whether or not it's too much. So my lunch is something pretty simple. It's this little one because I didn't really feel like trying to concentrate about making some other kind of lunch. So it's gonna be this nice cream, which is like topped with some nuts, some chocolate, and some fresh strawberries. So lunchtime is over, and as you can see, I've painted a bit more, but honestly, I'm still not 100% sure about this color. Because it is, it's spicing up things in here. But yeah, it's actually pretty cozy, and I think maybe I just have to get used to it. So I've just decided that I'm just gonna continue painting. And as you can see, I still have a lot more to do, so it's just, let's work. As you might have noticed, I'm sometimes using kind of alternative ways in painting and whatever else I'm doing. But it's just, I'm no professional. This is a do-it-yourself project, and this is working for me. So this is the way I'm gonna do it. And also, I think I might have started to really like this color. After I painted this wall, I look at it totally different now. And I actually think it's spicing up things a bit, but still making it super cozy and just adding some color and some fun to the place. So yeah, I've totally decided that I'm gonna paint everything in this color, and I'm just looking forward to the result. But of course, it is a bit colorful, so let me know what you think in the comments below. Okay, so it's a new day in the cabin now, and actually it was so nice to wake up to this very happy color. So right now I'm just so ready to paint some more and hopefully finish painting by today. But of course, my best recommendation for always buying the test so you don't end up doing what I did, because as you could probably hear, yesterday was kind of a emotional roller coaster for me. Wow, I really like it. It's pretty colorful. I can't really concentrate about anything. I'm just thinking about this color and whether or not it's too much. I'm still not 100% sure about this color. I think I might have started to really like this color. Actually, I have no idea what I'm doing. Anyway, let's start painting again.
No, no, honey, I'm good. I could have another, but I probably should not. I got somebody at home, and if I stay, I might not leave alone. No, honey, I'm good. I could have another, but I probably should not. I got the bitch, I do. No, no, honey, I'm good. I could have another, but I probably should not. I got somebody at home, and if I stay, I might not leave alone. No, honey, I'm good. I could have another, but I probably should not. I got the bitch, I do.
Hey again guys, it is a new day here in the cabin, and as you can see, I am not wearing my painting clothes, and that's because I have finished painting in here. And I am so excited to show you the result.
You are everything that my heart desires. You set my heart on fire, to tear it out for all the world to see. You know everything about what makes me weak, and I declare defeat. I'm no match for you, and you know it, 'cause you are the only thing that I can't live without. I don't ever wanna start up on the bottom, coming too close to start again. I fell for your lies, well I fell for the last time.
Because I really love this color. I love what it has done to the place. And the funny thing is that I seriously think this color, it chose me. Because if I had bought the small test as I was supposed to and tried it out, I would have thought that this color was too crazy and I couldn't paint my entire cabin with this color. But because I couldn't buy the test and instead had to buy like multiple liters of painting, I had to paint and just try it out. And like, of course, while I was painting, I was thinking maybe a million times like, what have I done? What have I done? But now I'm just so happy about it. It's funny, it's funky, it's happy, it's colorful, it's playful. It's just such a great combination of a bunch of positive things, and I just really love it. I'm just so happy that I couldn't buy the test and I just went all in with it, because I mean, it was meant to be, right? It's such a great match in here, and I love it with the few things I've already put in here, and I'm just looking forward to move the rest of my furnitures and stuff in here and to continue with the renovation project, with renovating the kitchen, fixing the office down there, and yeah, upgrading the bathroom as well, and all the other stuff that I'm planning to do in here. And of course all the projects outside as well, with painting the exterior and building the greenhouse that I want. And yeah, just I have so many great plans for this place. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can stay tuned. I'm uploading an episode every Tuesday, sometimes every second Tuesday. But subscribe and hit the notification bell, and if you like this movie, then please hit the like button as well. And otherwise, I will just say thank you so much for watching. I loved making the changes and being able to show it to you guys. And yeah, I wish you a beautiful rest of your day and see you next time. All of this, no, dang, it's it's kind of a crazy color. But because I couldn't buy the, with painting the with